Hey guys, I will show you the problem of my vortex. When I am searching on the water and the water is on this level below the control box, the vortex is very noisy. But if I submerge the control box, it's stable again. And then if I go out from the water, it's noisy again. Right now it's stable because the control is away from the water. See, started to have noise. Now if I search this way, it's very noisy. It don't stop beeping. See, very noisy. But if I submerge, now it's stable again. I removed the headphones so that you can hear the sound from the speakers. Now we will go out from the water. It's noisy again. Hear that? But the water gets into the speaker, so I blow it first. You hear that noise? Very noisy. But if we go away from the water, it's stable again. So guys, please let me know if this is common to all the vortex units, or it's only mine, or is it the coil problem? Please let me know. Thank you, Garrett, for sending me this brand new coil. Let's install this and see if it will fix the problem. See you on the beach. And it includes the coil cover. Nice. I think I will keep this coil cover first. I'll use my old one. No, I will use this as it is. I wrap it with the electrical tape and cable tie to protect this from the sun. Good morning guys, it's 2:30 in the morning. We already have a target here, and it is, oh, I thought it's 5 peso coin, but it's not. It is actually $1 Australian. Nice, good start. I was not able to turn on the camera yet. Already have a target. Let's go to the water first, then we'll go back to the dry sand. Low tide is within an hour, 3:30. So guys, we're using right now the brand new coil. This is the first time that we will use it on the water. Oh, we have a target here. The connector is not yet submerged. Let's get this first. I think it's in the scoop. I hope it's not a pull tab. Oh, guys, it's not a pull tab, guys. Oh, I think it's gold, guys. Oh, yes guys, I'm sure this is gold. Whew, second target. It looks like 21 karat, guys. I want to shout. Can't believe this. Whew, I'm actually shaking, guys. I love it. So let's continue for the testing. We'll submerge this first. This is very coincidental, guys. I just want to test the coil because you already have seen on the first clip. Almost there. I hope you will not make noise, please. Yes! Ooh, another success, guys. Ooh. Let's go back. Thank you so much, Garrett. I've been using this Vortex with a faulty coil from day one, but actually, guys, I have managed to pull out like 11 or 13 gold already. I used the Vortex for more than 100 hours already. Thank you so much, guys. Still, I can't believe this. I found a gold when I just started, and also found a coin on the dry sand when I started. Oh, come on. Nope. This signal is like bottled up, but it's 90s. Oh, 70s with iron. I want to see this. And the new update for the Vortex has been released. I think it was together with the new coil. There are two signals here. Yeah, I know it. Still the same with my old coil. Right, guys, 5:20 in the morning. Almost 3 hours of hunt. It's time to go home. Already found gold, so very good.